Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, we are going to explore about the one of the most popular plugin, which is named as a WP Mail SMTP. So as you can see into the last tutorial, we have added this contact form into the by make use of the contact form 7 plugin, and we make use of the do shortcode, which is the method, which is the WordPress method to paste the to add the contact form into the to run the shortcode. So now if previously when I try to send the mail, when I click on the send button, so it says that there is an error in sending the mail. This is because of we do not have configured the WP mail setup. So as you all know, we have already installed the plugin which is named as uh, WP Mail SMTP. So here you can see that WP Mail SMTP, which is the plugin. So we to send the mail from our local host, and for the to send mail from any of the WordPress website, you have to set up this WP Mail SMTP. Until and unless you not do that, the mail work function will not work. So here you can see that on the left side you can see WP Mail SMTP. Just click on that, and here you can see that here you have to write some here you have to configure SMTP. So by default the mailer is chosen as PHP, which is default, which is none here in this case. So let me introduce you about the interface and the whatever they have provided. Into the general setting you can see the license. If you are using the premium plugin, so you can paste your license key here. So this is the setup wizard, so that we are going to manually set up, so don't worry about that. Here you can see that from email configuration is there. By default from the admin, email will be sent. From name will be the website name, and yes, force from name, yes, if checked, the form from name setting above will be used for all email, ignoring value set by the other plugin. Okay, that's it. So okay, and by default mailer is PHP, which is nothing. So here you have to set up any SMTP, any SMTP setup. So for example, here in this case I am using the Gmail SMTP. So I am going to send email from my Gmail account, which you can see, I have created, which is the codewithviki@gmail.com. From this gmail.com I am going to add, uh, just click on smtp.com here, and sorry, not smtp.com. You have to write, here you have to select other SMTP, and here you have to write the host name of the Gmail, the SMTP host name. Let me search for SMTP host for Gmail. Yes, it is the smtp.gmail.com. I got it. Just copy that, go to there and just paste it here. And it is the SSL certificate, SSL maybe, yes, it is a SSL or TLS in both. So you can select it as a SSL. Yes, SMTP port is already there. It's 465, which is default. SMTP username, yes, here you have to add your username and the password. So how do you can get that? Let me tell you about this. So just go to your any Gmail account. So as there is a codewithviki@gmail.com that I have created. So go to the manage your accounts. Using app password we are going to configure this. So yes, and here just search for app password. Here you can see that security. Into the security there is app password. So here I have to add the email password. So by just adding the password, I have opened this app password section, and here you I have to name something like here the test mail app I'm writing. Just create that app password, creating. Yes, and here in front of you you can see that this is the password. Just take the screenshot of this, or just note down this password. This is very important password of your email id, of your app password of your app to sending the mail. So I am just copying this and go to our general setting of smtp, and into the password section I just copy paste that, and into the email I am writing. Yes, this one my email, codewithviki@gmail.com. I am just pasting that email here. So with this email and the password, app password which we have created, the email mail will be sent. So just save the setting after that, and let me test whether the email is going to be came or not. So to test that, you have to go tools, into the tools, and there is a send test mail. So let me add mail here, my let me add the same mail here, codewithviki@gmail.com, and when I click on the send mail, let me see whether mail is going to be sent or not. So it says that yes, it says that mail has been sent. So here you can see that in front of you it says that mail has been came. So any of the email id you can write it here, and that mail is going to be go to address smtp has successfully configured. We have okay. So now let me set up the contact form 7. According to that, go to the contact form, and we have created the contact form 2 here. So click on edit and go to the mail section, and let me suppose instead of adding the site admin email here, I will make it as this variable, use of this variable which is email variable. That is, which whatever the email which added into the this field, to this email the mail will be sent. So that's why I just added here. Click on the save, and let me see. By doing that, just refresh the page. No, cancel. Let's cut it from here. Go to the contact. I am just adding some data. So to this email, that is gmail.com, that to this email the mail will be sent after the successfully submitting this form. So when I click on the send, yes, it says that thank you for your message, it has been sent. So email has been sent from our contact form. So let me check whether it's successfully sent or not. To go there, just I am just refreshing that page. Yes, in this way you can send the mail. So let me add the proper formatting to this message. So it's looking like this. So how to set up that also I'm going to tell you. So okay, so into the mail template you have to add like to, which is the mail, from site title, and email subject which is the contact message, reply to which is email, from. Yes, here from. The variable name you have to just change. Variable name has been changed by the default. So for the name, it is the name named variable. Here you have to write, and for the email, it is like email. Subject, which is contact mail, whatever the message you have to write here. So in the message format, I'm just copying this message, and that message you have to paste it here. Let me add some text. Dear admin, you got some message as follows. So, and add the break tag here, or let me this like this. So admin will get message like, dear admin, you got some message as follows, and the message means whatever you have written, user have written into that text area, that will going to be written here. So use HTML content type. If your contact form contain HTML tags, some of the HTML tables or ECSS, etc, etc, so you can check this. So when I save this, one more time, will let me send the mail, and let's check. So let's go to the contact. Here I'm going to write my name. Here I'm going to email, to which email gets sitting sent, gmail.com, and hello, the message is the message, like this. And when I click on the send button, you can see that it says that message has been sent. So once again, let me check the email, and yes, here you can see that now message will be perfectly fine. Here you can see that CodeWithViki contact message, and from it's Vikrant, and CodeWithViki@gmail.com. Subject is contact email. So in this way you can add the, you can set up the WP Mail SMTP to sending the mail, and the contact form 7. So we have learned some uh, how to add the contact form 7, how to enqueue CSS JavaScript, how to add the header, footer. So so many things are remaining, guys, into the WordPress. So let me meet into the next video, and let me come with a very interesting topic. We will be working on this website template only. So I will be telling you each and everything about the WordPress by making use of this theme, which this theme is as a this theme is only example, example kind of thing. So to learn you for the your learning. So in future we will be going to be create a multi-vendor e-commerce website also. By making use of this, we will be going to create our own plugin, we will be going to create our own theme, code our own theme also. So so that's it about today's video, and let me meet into the next video, and let me let me show you a very interesting topic in this, in the WordPress. So still, do subscribe to Code with Wiki, like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much, guys.